teams are actually starting to come on now, but you've been doing this a while. What made you decide to start a team, and how do you think that helps the consumer?
I think that the marketplace today demands a lot of agents, and no single agent can do it all. So we have a team of buyer specialists, but they also list. But we have the support mechanism behind them. We have a transaction coordinator, a listing coordinator, staff that can take up the slack when they need to be going out and showing a house, listing a house, and that way they can do what they do best. Teams today are where it's headed. And it's a matter if they want to have a real life and have some time off or go on vacation or deal with a family issue, this is the way they can do it because we all pinch hit. And I've shown houses for Sean, he for me, and we all work together. It's the synergies of a group that makes a real estate agent's life doable as much as anything else. Many agents will sell 3 or 4 houses. I think the average, according to the National Association of Realtors, is about 7 properties. In our group, we'll sell over 100 properties this year.
That's awesome.
So we have a lot of experience in a lot of different markets. You can't just specialize in one because in today's marketplace, they're looking in Allen or Prosper or Mesquite or Rockwall or so many different communities to find exactly the home that they're looking for. Schools are a big part of that, and so we sell to meet needs of our clients.
What do you think is the biggest challenge, speaking of all those needs and the factors that face homeowners today, what is the biggest challenge you see out there with buyers and sellers?
Unrealistic expectations because the market is shifting so quickly. They don't know exactly what they want until they see it, and then their needs change. Young man this morning decided he was pre-qualified, he thought, for $190,000, and his wife found one that was perfect at $215,000. And all of a sudden, he made the call to the lender to find out what he was actually pre-approved for, and the lenders are critical. They've got to be able to get them pre-approved so we know we don't take them to see things that they can't qualify for. But the $215,000 was no problem. We go look at it tomorrow and probably have it under contract by tomorrow night.
That's quick, and that moves quick, and you got to be able to move quickly and have a lending team that helps that happen. So, Sean, on the buyer side, kind of building on that, specifically for buyers, what are you seeing out there that they're facing?
Well, one is it's oftentimes a lack of preparation. It is so important in this market that a buyer be ready to act immediately. I tell people all the time, this isn't your parents' real estate market anymore, where you could go for a weekend, check out all the homes you'd like to see, then take a few days to think about which one you like, and Tuesday or Wednesday make an offer. It doesn't work like that right now. If you spot one that comes on Friday, you need to have an offer sitting on the table in front of the seller Friday evening, or you're probably going to miss out. And if you haven't already made arrangements with a lender, gotten your ducks in a row, you're probably going to be on the outside looking in more often than not. So unfortunately, with many buyers I've worked with in the past, that has to happen to them a few times before the light finally clicks on and it's okay.